cleaned the entire bathroom. We have our new rainbow blanket on, which could be for Pride Month. The United States, we are celebrating Pride Month. And I took and did an extra deep clean because I swept everything. And they all think it's fun because I just put new litter in there. But also, if you see, the box is nice and shiny. I washed the box, I washed the mat, I washed the scoop. Hi! And I washed the bowls and everything. So, you guys are smelling it up in here. I just cleaned it. And then I put all the toys out after because I picked them all up. So. Hey guys. Oh, we have this new toy I want to check out. There we go. Yeah, is that super cool? I think that's something I probably can't leave in there because it actually comes out of the thing with the wire. It'll be really fun for when we're in here. Archie, what are they doing? This thing is starting to shed everywhere too. We might have to get a new one, or I'm going to try to wait till the next litter because I'd like to replace some things between this litter and the next one because I've been so sick. Probably mostly everything that can't be super sanitized. Like this litter scoop thing should be fine. But the cardboard has got all those nooks and crannies, so that would be replaced. The bed, might be able to keep that. I got that, so you guys wouldn't worry about that anyway. But we try not to get too many things in here as part of that purpose. But the rainbow, the unicorn with the rainbows. Most plastic stuff can be sanitized, so it's more like the cardboard that needs replaced. And then that mat's probably not the best because it's got all the little nodules in it. So next time I think we're gonna get like a flat, or ask for a flat one that doesn't have the little spongy stuff because it's cute stuff under. That's so fun. I love it. Oh look, Dobby's like, I'm gonna get it at its source. Oh, Archie. What are you doing? You playing with this? Look at it. Oh. They love going in the hole of this one, so it's like genius. They are starting to like eat it up, which is normal. It's just, we'll need replaced at some point. What are you doing? You doing good with your one eye, birdie? So I put new litter in there, and they thought it was the coolest thing ever, and all had a party and went to the bathroom in there. So that was fun. Oh no. I use litter boxes with plays. I might have to make the litter box sideways or something. And I also, was a good time to completely wash that out because we finished our, medicine for a thing called coccidia that they all probably had, pretty sure. And usually the symptoms of that are like really smelly poop and a lighter colored runny ear poop. Hi, babies. Oh, don't be scared. I really like those. They're so light and fluffy. Look, Mama. She's like, she thought the rainbow was something, I think. Did you get the best toy ever for you? Oh. Hey, you got it off. That's no good. I wonder if I have to wet it first. Oh my gosh, look, I got them all. Hey, look at me, kitties. I'll take a picture. Uh-oh, Mama too. Oh my gosh, almost a whole group shot. Look, guys. Everybody look. Everybody look. Oh, I almost got everybody. I was trying to take some thumbnails. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Family playtime. Poor Dobby's eye, we're working on it. Oh, I also wanted to try treats. Who wants to try treats? I think you do, Dobby and Mommy. Alright, let's see who likes these soft ones. Are usually like one of the best first treats to give. Mama, how about you, Archie? You don't eat anything. Ooh, he's actually interested in it. Here, Dobby. Archie, eat that. Dobby, look. Treat. Mama, look, a treat. Mama. You got him all too excited playing. Is that Birdie over there? Birdie's eating hard food. Mommy, you smell those treats? I tried to give you one. Dobby. She probably doesn't want to take a treat from me, but look. No? What's wrong with you guys? Pinky, try a treat. You guys are the weirdest litter. I think they're distracted playing. That's so funny. Well, I'm sure they're gonna eat it at some point. Oh! Birdie said yes. Look at this treat. There you go. Yay! That'll help Birdie want to eat. And I'll put some more food down here. She's a weirdo. She only likes to eat on the floor. But, that is pretty high. But we put it on the plates and stuff that are low and she doesn't want it. It might be some kind of distancing with her eye. I might have to look up difficulties in one-eyed kitties have. What are you doing? Oh, she had one of the treats and she's like, oh my gosh, that was the best thing ever. Birdie knows that treat was the best. Did you think it was that? But it's actually that right there. I tried to give you a treat. Oh my gosh, Pinky's like, oh, this is the best ever, because she thinks it's part of the treat. I'm shocked, Dobby. What about you? I thought there was one other treat over here. Look. You're the one I would really like to get to eat a treat. Look. Look, it's on the ground. Look, buddy. Mama. Alright then. Dobby, look. It's a treat. It's amazing. Oh! Birdie! Birdie discovered the wonderfulness of treats. Here, look. There's a treat in there. Can you smell it? Sniff it out? Here. Pinky, but Birdie needs to learn to eat better. There you go. There you go, Dobby. Now you see it? Look. Oh my gosh, I'm so funny. Don't go in there, it's wet. Oh, I just washed everything in there. And I just washed the floor, so now she's gonna have little paw prints. What are you doing? Are you playing with that big toy? That's so cute. They're going nuts on the food now because smell the treats. It's really funny. Birdie did a Pinky try to steal? Here's there you go. There's your own treat. Yeah. Okay, well we got Birdie now. Oh. Well, I don't know, maybe she's full. What are you doing? You wanna get her? Oh my gosh, that's so cute. You're tiny but mighty. Mom is so weird. She has bowls of water, but she likes the water from the tub. You playing with that baby? Hi. Hi, baby. Oh, you're so cute. Look at that white patch. Yeah. What, you trying to get me? What about this one? That is so cute. Alright, we'll see you guys later.